Okay, I would have liked something a little bit more extravagant, but tight budget and the rest of it. Now, I want you to bear with me and allow me this little bit of a rant. On the last video, a blind girl living on her own, blah, 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 we got loads of thumbs down. And I just think these people are disgusting. I just wanted to say that. I mean, look at her, what the hell. So, we've paid for the food and the drink and what have you, for all the trolls and, you know, we're scammers and we're beggars and all the rest of it. She's not gone to work today, and the reason being is we've got two lovely people who's donated because it's her birthday and they want to help as well. And one of them, I believe it's Dale, correct me if I'm wrong, Dale, wants to help with her rent for the next 6 months.
Dale and
Aaron and Dale, thank you very much. I'm not sure whether you wanted to be mentioned, but I thought it was the right thing to do for you being so kind. I wanted to mention you on the video. I was going to do a video, guys, just for the two who donated to show them that she got the money in, but I thought, you know, no, you know, let other people know how kind these two guys were. We didn't ask for anything on the last video. She didn't ask for anything, and I just thought it was the right thing to do. So it's her birthday today and she's 36 years old. Look how beautiful she is as well. So beautiful. So listen, guys, this is the first time she's had a birthday party. She's always been at work on a birthday, and all her friends from around here have come. Look. Hi, how are you? How are you? I'm okay. How are you? So they've all come to celebrate her birthday. We've got a little bit of a drink there if anybody wants to sit for a while and have a drink, but it's mainly about the birthday girl. Oh.
Can I translate Bicol to Tagalog? Dahil inat kaya interview mi siya tapos kan post ni Chris si video may nag-set sa iyong kwarta sana may nag-set kaya please interview me please
next to Ate Rosel you will interview
I tell to them that we interview on the first video and then someone send money to her, then the money we will give to her.
There's 3 people, but the third guy is having trouble sending the money, so she will get some more money. It's when he can work out how to send it.
I will ask Ate Lisel if, for example, if someone want to send money directly to her, if she can do it.
She got Gcash.
Siguro ang Gcash, para yung halimbawa, may gusto magpadala sa imo, direkta na sa imo. Mayo ba? Mayong day. Anong Gcash ikaw ka? Ay, siya,
she has Gcash.
Ano, video account or any mayo lang, Gcash lang.
No, Gcash is fine. Gcash is fine. So we'll get the details of a Gcash. So if you want to help Lisel out, obviously she'll be greatly appreciative. We're not asking for help, but if you'd like to help, that's fine. Thank you to Aaron very much. Aaron's so kind. He's not just helped Lisel. Every time there's a situation, Aaron is one of the first to offer help. Bless you, my friend. And Dale, thank you so much. He's offered to pay Lisel's, or help with Lisel's rent. I'm not saying the full 2,000, but he's offered to help with Lisel's rent for the next 6 months.
If someone wants to direct send to her, she has a Gcash.
Yeah, she has a Gcash, guys. I thought she didn't, but on talking to her, she does. So if you want to send her Gcash directly without having to go through Mal, you can send it directly. Yeah. So we'd like to give Lisel the money that's been sent on video for all the trolls, the disgusting trolls. Oi, what you doing? Oh, right, okay. So Mel's gonna get the money that's been sent by Aaron and what's been sent by Dale, just so they know their money has got to the person they wanted to get to. So what's the first one then, Mel?
First one is for Aaron.
Aaron.
627. I make it 2,630.
2,630 pesos from Aaron. Thank you very much, Aaron.
4 days,
Dale.
2,638. I make it 2,640.
Right. So, Aaron first. Thank you, Aaron.
Sir Aaron, and thank you, Third Day.
Thank you so much. I know it's a pleasure for them to
I have a
help
question
you.
after this. How you know the money? Like for example, this one 1,000. This one is the 1,000. 1,000 this one. And this one is 500. Paano mo na aaraman? Hindi kasi separate yan. She folding the money.
Oh, she folds it different so she knows which is which. Ah, okay.
So the total is 5,266.
Right. That's just from Dale and Aaron. Okay.
So you she don't need to go to work few days, right?
No, I think George is trying to work out how to send the money. George is going to send $45, I think. So it's a nice birthday. Yeah.
So we're gonna sing happy birthday to her.
Yeah.
Oh, mama,
Oh,
I will check, make sure if it's
it's working. Yeah. It's good.
Oh, you count, go.
After 3, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now, don't forget guys, like what I said, she has gone to work on every birthday. She's never had a birthday with a cake or nothing, and I'm being serious. She's never had a birthday party. It's not a lot guys, it's the best that we could do, but I'm sure she's appreciative, and the rest of the family. These are all you Kims, by the way. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay! Blow the candle!
Yay! So it was just a short video, guys, to show you Lizelle's birthday. She's very shy. She's very independent. She doesn't like a lot of fuss, as you could probably work out from it.
Before they eat the cake.
Yeah, before they eat it.
Iyo, isutok mo lang sa iyo.
Oh God, I can't move for my daughter. Say hello, Fia. So that's it guys, I'm not going to string it along. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks again to Aaron, bless you my friend, and Dale, bless you for your kindness. There's still a little bit of kindness left in the world. Look, guys, I just wanted to show you how they put cake with the spaghetti I mean, that's one of the first things, apart from the rice in the morning, rice at dinner time, rice in the evening, rice late in the evening. They put cake with spaghetti and meat, and I don't know how you feel, but that's not what we do in the West. So hey, it's a success. There's a lot of people here for LaSalle. She's not had a party before, bless her. Look at her. She's very independent, guys. You know, she left home because she didn't want to be a burden on her family. I mean, you know, it just breaks my heart. Could you do it? Can you imagine just being poor in the Philippines and then being poor and blind? And then we've got some very unpleasant people out there that don't like me and want to put a thumbs down, not because they don't like LaSalle or the video, it's just that they want to try and cause me problems, which doesn't work because it's interaction and they're just morons. So YouTube sees it as an interaction, whether it's positive or negative. But these guys don't have a life. Look at my daughter, she's beautiful. Fia, are you beautiful? What? Yes? Oh, modest as well. We appreciate it. So it's over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Wave. Bye-bye. No, she's shy. Okay.
Them, bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Hi everybody, we're pretty excited. YouTube has given us super thanks.
Yeah.
So now, when you're watching a video, it doesn't have to be a live video. You go down to the bottom of the video and click on the thanks and the heart, then you can send us a coffee. We'll very much appreciate it.
Our pizza, chocolate.
If you want to support our channel, or you're just really pleased with the video you've just watched, you can send us a copy. We'll really appreciate it.
Yeah.
If not, just continue to support us, watch your videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know